Here we will see type conversion in Python. Python defines type conversion functions to directly convert one data type to another. There are two types of type conversion in Python: implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. First we will see implicit type conversion. In Python, when the data type conversion takes place during compilation or during runtime, then it is called an implicit data type conversion. Python handles the implicit data type conversion, so user need not to explicitly convert data type into another data type. For example, here two variables are defined. First is integer, in which 123 value is assigned, and then float, in which 1.23 value is assigned. When we add these two numbers, that is num integer and float, the output will be 124.23. Next is explicit type conversion. Here user convert the data type of an object to the required data type. This type of conversion is also called as typecasting, since the user casts, that is, changes the data type of the object. With explicit type conversion, there is a risk of data loss, since we are forcing an expression to be changed in some specific data type. Various forms of explicit type conversions are as follows. First is int. This function converts any data type to integer. The base specifies the base in which the string is if the data type is a string. Float function is used to convert any data type to a floating point number. ORD function is used to convert a character to integer. Hex function is used to convert integer to hexadecimal string. Oct function is used to convert integer to octal string. Tuple function is used to convert to a tuple. Set function returns the type after converting to set. List function is used to convert any data type to a list type. Dict function is used to convert a tuple of order key and value into a dictionary. Str function is used to convert integer to string. Complex function converts real numbers to complex number. Char function converts the number to its corresponding ASCII character. For example, if s is assigned with 10010 and if we convert s to float, the output will be 10010.0. If 76 is converted into character, the output will be L, since 76 is the ASCII value of L.